For our next step, we're going to install small eye screws that are going to hold our axles onto the mousetrap car frame. To do this, we're going to need the 4 screws, a pencil, our small little pokey device so we can get the screws started, and our ruler. We're going to begin by turning the car over. Keeping in mind this is the front of our car, we're going to measure back from the very front approximately 1.5 inches to clear this. We don't want to put our screw hooks in the bottom of our cross member. It will simply cause the material to split. So if we measure back approximately 1.5 inches, as best as we can, right there. My mark wasn't very clear. 1.5 inches back on both front frame rails, right here. We're also going to measure halfway in using our ruler and remembering our number from before. We're approximately right here on that one. And approximately here on this one. These are our center marks where our eye screws are going to go. We're going to turn the mousetrap car end to end, and we're going to make the same measurement again. 1.5 inches in from the end, and 1.5 inches in from the end. And once again, we'll measure halfway across the material. X marks the magical spot for these ones. So this is roughly where our eye screws are going to go. We need to make sure that they're mounted squarely in the frame so the car travels straight down the hallway when we launch it. To do this, we're going to measure from this center of that hole there, diagonally across the portion of the frame, and we get, on this example, 12 3/4 inches. We're going to do the same measurement on the other side, from that corner to that corner, and we have the same number. So we are good. Those are all square. We're going to take our small pokey device, and you can use anything, a nail, a very sharp pencil, sometimes be careful you don't break the lead in, and we're just going to give a nice push into the material. It gives us a spot to get our eye screw started. It will make it easier for you to get them screwed all the way in. Give it a good little push to make sure you have a nice little divot. Oops. We have 4 small divots. I'm going to take our eye screw. It's very important when you get the eye screw started, make sure it is going straight. Because if it becomes crooked as you turn it into the wood, that will affect your alignment on all parts.